Hey, this is Aaron from RoamRig. Wanted to give you an intro to your new power system in your 2018 through 2020 Winnebago Revel. The first thing that you'll want to note when you come into your van is that the house power switch that used to be down here is no longer there. We've removed it and put a block-off plate in its place. The switch has been moved to your new control panel on the wall. You turn it off, house power goes off. If you turn it on, the house power turns on. To use the control panel itself and all of the items on the panel, we have a video that's linked below that tells you what controls are what and how to use them. For using the Victron gauge, what the numbers mean and how to use the Victron app, there are some videos linked below. To use your heater and your heater controls in your code reader, we have some more videos linked below. For other items like where your AC and DC breaker panels are and where the main breakers for the system are, we have more videos linked below. This playlist will help you understand and learn about your new RoamRig power system.